So if you want to go ahead and add in drop-down information, then you can go ahead and utilize different drop-down widgets as well. So to do that, you can go to add elements, and then under widgets, you can go ahead and type in drop-down, let's say for example. Then there's different sort of drop-downs as you can see right here. For example, there's drop-down with paging right here, where you can go ahead and add in options. So let's just go ahead and say pizza, burger, and then let's say for example hot dog right here. Let's just copy this because I'm going to go ahead and paste this off in the other drop down list as well. There's dynamic drop down as you can see, so you can see that there's let's say for example I can go ahead and say like let's say for example pepperoni pizza right here. So let's just go ahead and correct it, pepperoni pizza. Or let's say for example I'm going to say let's say for example I'm going to say pineapple pizza right here. Okay, there you go. So there's like dynamic drop downs as well. There's group values drop downs as well, as you can see right here. Like there's group 1 and 2 right here. So let's just see how that works as well. And there's Canadian province pickers right here, and you can see all of these right here. And there's even like state Germany state picker, provinces of France picker, provinces of Thailand picker, checkbox in drop down right here. There's Brazil states right here, and so forth. There's a lot of type of drop downs as you can see right here. There's Indian states, cities in Indonesia, and so forth. So I'm just going to go around, and for each of these drop down, of course, you can go ahead and then access out different settings as needed. So let's just go around and preview out the form right here. And as you do that, what happens is that you will be able to go ahead and select the option. Like for example, you can see that I'm going to go around over here. You can see that there's select option, there's pizza, burger right here. There's even, let's say for example, different options for groups, as you can see right here, group drop down. There's like state drop downs right here that you can go ahead and choose. There's like checkboxes drop down that we add in another state drop down, and so forth. So different sort of state drop downs as you can see right here that you can go ahead and add in. So for a lot of these out right here, you can see that let me just go ahead and refresh. Seems like it froze it out on me right here. So if I were to go ahead and refresh, a lot of them loads up as you can see, and you can go ahead and select these out and go to the widget setting to go ahead and change this out to whatever you want. For example, you can go ahead and see that there's the airport picker, display only commercial airports. So you can go around and say yes right here, and there's the option right here. Let's just go ahead and paste these out right here. And there's states, so let's just go around and say no for the abbreviated states right here. So you can go ahead and change this out according to what you want right here. There's language picker as you can see right here as well. So all of these are like preset pickers right here that you can go ahead and simply use. There's the default country right here as you can see right here, and so forth. There's country selection. There's limiting countries right here. Let's say for example I'm going to go ahead and say 6 right here, and so forth. Only display like let's say for example countries, like let's say for example say JP, and I'm going to go around and say US right here. You can go ahead and add those in right there. You can go around and let's say for example remove these. I'm just going to go ahead and change this out to all of it right here. So let's go to the widget setting. You can see that for all of it right here, you got different options. And anyways, it's the same. And as you go ahead and preview out those drop down widgets now, you will be able to see those drop downs. So you can see that it is loading right there, just like that. And now if I were to go around, you can see that I can choose option. I can actually go around over here and select out, let's say for example, different options right here. You can go ahead and select this and select that right here. You can add in, let's say for example, some airport as you want right here. So let's say for example I'm going to say Singapore right here, and then you can see like there's like different airports right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and select these out right here. You can even add in an option and so forth. So there's different sort of drop down widgets that you can see that gives you choices for selecting out different elements inside of Jotform. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.